Lightweight, super compact folding stool for outdoor events, camping, hiking, fishing, and traveling. Foldable stool. Lightweight but durable, this portable stool provides a quick and easy way to take a load off just about anywhere. Super compact camp stool is perfect for outdoor events, hiking, fishing, and traveling. Includes carry bag with closure strap, buckle and carabiner. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy powder-coated steel, this collapsible stool supports up to 250 pounds and includes a patented anti-splay reinforcement panel for added leg strength. Light enough to be comfortably transported hung from a belt loop. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome little chair, perfect companion for a pregnant wife. We went to the SEMA show in Las Vegas this year, and if anyone has ever been, you know it's just days of walking for 8 hours looking at cool cars and products. My wife was pregnant, so I figure this would be perfect, and it ended up being great when her feet hurt or just wanted to sit down for a bit. Whip it out of my bag, it snaps together in just a second and she's sitting and happy. So I get to still look at cars and she's comfortable, win-win. It's very compact and fit inside a backpack easy, or it comes with a carabiner that clips on the outside. The pouch for it is really nice too. I know this is advertised as a camping rugged outdoor chair, but it's perfect for pregnant women at a car show, trade show too.